Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we have my pissed off son Evan here working on Caleb's Jetta. And Caleb helping me and his buddy Trey just showed up. So this will be a good time because we're putting a Raceland lowering kit in this Jetta. And well, I hate Volkswagens and I hate working on them. And Evan's the Volkswagen guru. So when he stops rolling his eyes, I'll get him on the camera. All right, basically what we gotta do is both sides of this car. I think both sides of this car have broken springs, which is super common on the Volkswagen. So we needed struts anyway. And then obviously wanted to lower it. So we're just gonna put the lowering struts in there in place of that. So yeah. All right, we got Trey in here. Trey, what are we doing?
Today?
Yeah, what are we doing, Trey?
We have Caleb's car in the shop today. We're going to modify it. These struts, these things suck, so they're going to come out. Oh, those aren't struts. That's a shock. Never mind. That's in the front.
Yep, gotcha.
We got springs back here. We're going to cut those out with a grinder and probably leave those out. The lower the better. So
no, we're definitely not cutting them out. We're just going to lower that lower control arm.
Check this out.
And we're going to put in a... It's red. It must be fast. We're trying to record a video. Stop.
Yeah, it's red. As you can see, the springs are color matched to the car.
Oh, jeez. Yep. That's definitely going to make it go faster.
You know what that means? That means speed right there.
It is. If it's red, it's fast.
Exactly.
This is fast.
That 2.5 liter inline 5 is going to be absolutely screaming after these bad boys.
Yep. And Evan chose to do the back first because it's easy. I don't know why. Trey's doing his thing, clearly. Good at it. Evan, what are you doing? Evan.
Get out of my face.
Evan, what are you doing? You're the Volkswagen guy. You are. So far, every single spring in this car has been broken, including the rear springs.
You gotta take these off.
Why are we dissing out the Jetta?
Yeah, we gotta reuse those. What are you doing with the vice grips?
He's pissing them off.
I don't know where he gets his anger from.
Oh, I wonder.
I do want.
Caleb, grab me a new shot.
Yeah, Evan didn't read that. Don't use vice grips. All right, all seriousness, the Raceland adjustable coilovers and or struts or whatever, they're actually good quality. They make a good product. They warranty their stuff. They stand behind it, and the price point's not bad. So in all reality, the Raceland stuff, it's good stuff. I know Evan, my son, and his buddies, they have them in all their cars. So they've installed them on probably, I bet he's done 6 or 7 of these so far in the past year or so. So yeah, pretty common. Working on a Volkswagen might suck, but it's still good quality stuff. All right, nice job supervising Trey.
Yep.
Doing this thing. His hands are dirty. He literally
dirty.
fell down. And then Evan has got one side. He's doing that on purpose.
One of these up here, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, he's got one side in. We're going to go to the other side. Apparently, we're going to save the worst for last, which is the front.
Flip that wheel around. Now lean it. It ain't gonna fall anymore because all the weight's in the front.
All right,
Thanks,
let's see what you
Evan.
got for
There you
gifts
go.
from Raceland.
Really?
We'll see the gifts. I see a cool sticker. We've got to have a sticker. And there's a box.
Wow, keychain.
That is so sick!
Yeah! Let me see it.
So freaking cool, man.
That is actually freaking awesome, dude.
Yeah, it's even got like.
Oh, schmack. All right, on to the front. You saw what?
The knuckle was moving.
Got the bracket off. Evan's taking the nut off. This is going to be the worst part, is to separate that there. Right, buddy?
Shut up.
Right, Evan? Huh?
Get out of my face.
God damn, is he so ugly? Is he like this all the time when he's working on stuff?
We need to make a cut scene here. And
We're going to make a cut scene. We're going to have a little cut scene. Next thing is going to be Evan laying on the floor and be a silhouette right there.
All day ever since I got here, Evan's been pretty bitchy. It tends to be a common occurrence whenever I'm working on a vehicle with him or I'm just here around. I think we really got to start feeding him some more Coca-Cola. Maybe that'll fix his issue. I'm hoping so, but I guess we'll have to find out after it happens.
Yeah, Evan, he's pissing me off. You can't do anything with that kid without him getting angry. I don't know where he gets it from. It just pisses me off so much. I just don't get it. I don't know where his anger is stemming from. I just don't get it. All right, where's that little tool? We got this little tool to separate the bottom here. And by golly, it actually freaking worked and that came out. We never thought that was coming out. All right, we got the old strut out of the car, which didn't get on film, but I fell on the floor pulling on this. And yeah, so now we gotta change the top hat. I didn't get top hats. You all right?
It's not coming off.
And yeah. All right, we gotta do a little weld action on the top hat because one of the nuts there, its big surprise, is spinning. So I'll tacky 2 on these things and yeah, put it back together. Evan's got the old one apart over there. Can you smile, Evan? Trey, give me a smile. Of course he'll give me a smile. Caleb, yeah, okay.
All right, it's in.
It's actually, honestly, going better than I thought. I'm gonna put some anti-seize in here, so this will be forever climbing all over us. We'll find it absolutely everywhere. Trey, can I see your hand for a second?
Yeah, I just cleaned them up.
Oh! Pull down.
Caleb, pull down on the control arm.
Come on, pull down on the. Let's
pull down
go.
on the
You guys fucking suck.
Caleb, pull under. Pull
No,
the
no, no,
control
just
arm.
pull the
down.
control arm.
I don't fucking trust you at all.
Stop
I'm
swearing.
serious.
I don't want to have to edit this out.
Yeah, you sound like a fag when you're swearing.
Evan, shut up. Enjoy working in the shop with your kids? I do. Hey, Trey.
Whoa!
Trey. Hold down on that control arm. That ought to be blurred out.
Really don't know.
Nope. All right. One strut in. 1/2 in. And Trey, what are you doing?
I don't know what fucking happened to my pants. I just got.
Did you lock those in?
Yeah.
All right, we're all in. Lock rings are locked in. Time for wheels. See what this baby looks like. All right, moment of truth. She is going down.
I've never seen so many wrong shit.
Shut up, Trey. Shut up.
Oh, that's nice, actually.
That's nice.
That's a nice stance.
Oh yeah, that's so low, bro.
It's perfect. I like that.
It's low as shit.
All right, Caleb's got the torque going.
What?
One steady push.
You're done.
Okay.
Push past.
Go every other, go opposite, right? Do opposite of where you know what I mean? If you do that one, then you do the opposite. Yeah. All right, Evan, interview. How did the install go?
It went mediocre.
I knew he'd smile. This guy's always smiling. All right, out she comes. She's got a good stance now. Not too low, just enough. They were up to 3 inch, and I think we went about 2.5 maybe. So that looks pretty good, bud. All right, guys, so this was just a fun Sunday fun day video doing the lowering kit on Caleb's car. It's a Sunday, it's not a regular work day, so we're just kind of horsing around and doing our thing. Evan's got his Miata in here now. We recently welded the diff. Yeah, and then now he's got a drift car. So anyway, thanks for watching. Scott Flip and Customize with my boys, Evan and Caleb. Take care, guys.